Hi, my name is Jeff. I'm the shower door specialist for Mincey Marble. This video is going to demonstrate the proper care and maintenance for the Arezzo Bypass Shower Door. There are 8 bumpers, 4 on each side, 2 at the top and 2 at the bottom. Make sure that the screws are tight. This protects the glass when the door is closed. This is the center door guide. Make sure that it's tight and there are no broken pieces. This is the left end door guide. They are right and left specific. The fin goes to the outside of the shower, protecting the glass when it's closed. There should be 4 plastic washers and 2 thread sleeves per towel bar. With your Allen wrench, make sure the towel bar is tight. Make sure the finger pull is tight. Make sure the handle is tight. To tighten the handle, remove the center caps. With your Allen wrench, you tighten the center screw. Once tight, reinstall the center caps. To ensure the door is flush with the wall channel, you may have to adjust the rollers using the Allen wrenches. First, take the weight off the roller. Lowering the roller raises the glass. Raising the roller lowers the glass. Once you have it in position, tighten the center screw. The rollers need to be tight against the glass to prevent potential damage to the glass. You can see here that one roller is tight and one is not. Using the Allen wrench, adjust all 4 retention pieces so they are close to the guide rail, but allowing for free range of motion of the doors, usually about a thickness of a credit card. The doors should operate smoothly without any resistance. Make sure there's no gaps in the silicone bead inside and out